Hi everyone, it's KP! Today marks my 5th anniversary as a VTuber. Yay! And first, there's something I really want to say. Thank you so much for these past 5 years. Over these 5 years, I've been so happy to meet so many capybaras. People who came to my streams, people who left comments, people who watched my videos, and people who have been quietly watching over me for a long time. Because of each and every one of you, I was able to keep going for 5 years. Of course, there were times when I had to take a break. There were times when I couldn't stream or post as much as I wanted to. But even during those times, your comments, your kindness, and your support helped me come back again. That's why I'm here today. Thank you, truly, from the bottom of my heart. Until now, of course, I've always wanted my capybaras to have fun, and I wanted to enjoy what I was doing too. That feeling hasn't changed. But recently, something inside me has started to change little by little. I think my mindset has slowly changed from what can I get from YouTube to what can I give through YouTube. Of course, I still want to enjoy creating content, and I still want my capybaras to have fun too. But now, I also want to think more about what I can give to others. What kind of value can I share? Whose day can I make a little better? How can I help someone understand Japanese, Oshi culture, or even another person's feeling a little more deeply? I want to contribute to more people through what I can do. Maybe I can make someone's Japanese learning journey a little more fun. Maybe I can help someone feel not only the translated meaning, but also the emotion behind Japanese words. I want to help people's worlds become a little bigger through language. So today, I want to talk about something called Ikigai. In Japanese, we say Ikigai. It's a Japanese word that is sometimes introduced in English just as it is. To put it simply, Ikigai is something that makes you feel, I'm glad I'm alive. This is where I feel like myself. This gives meaning to my life, but I don't think Ikigai is something you find perfectly from the beginning. Ikigai is often explained as the overlap of 4 things. First, what you love. Second, what you're good at. Third, what the world needs. And fourth, what can support your life. They say your Ikigai exists where these 4 things come together. For me, there are many things I love. Teaching Japanese, communicating in English, talking about VTuber culture, games, anime, and Oshi culture, and laughing together with my capybaras. I'm also starting to understand what I'm good at, explaining the subtle feelings between Japanese and English, talking about words that can't be fully explained by direct translation. As for the world needs, we live in a time when AI can translate many things instantly, and I think that is amazing. But even when words can be translated, feelings are not always translated perfectly. The emotion behind a phrase, the cultural background, the atmosphere, the reason why fans laugh, cry, or feel moved by a certain Japanese word. Those things are not always easy to understand from translation alone. Maybe this sounds like a big thing to say, but I believe the world needs more ways for people to understand each other. When you understand your Oshi's words, you can love them even more deeply. When you understand the culture behind a phrase, you can respect it more. And when you understand someone's feelings, even just a little, the world becomes a little kinder. That's why, on this channel, I want to teach real Japanese from VTubers, games, anime, and Oshi culture. Not just the translated meaning, but also the feelings, context, and culture behind the words. That is my goal now. To be honest, not all 4 parts of my Ikigai are perfectly connected yet. Can I say YouTube is my full-time job right now? No, not yet. Can I say everything is stable? No, not at all. There are days when I feel anxious. There are days when I wonder, is this really okay? There are days when I'm scared. But even so, I want to try. I don't want this YouTube channel to end as just a hobby. I want to grow it into a place that helps people. A place where my capybaras can learn and have fun. A place where I can one day say with confidence, this is my Ikigai. After 5 years, I feel like I'm finally starting to see it. Through language, I want to connect Japanese culture with the world. Through Oshi culture, I want to create small bridges between people. I want learning Japanese to feel not just like studying, but like a kind of magic that helps you enjoy what you love even more deeply. So in my 6th year, I want to keep growing little by little and put more passion, love, and effort into everything I create. Shorts, long videos, live streams. I want to make something that stays in people's hearts. Something that makes people want to learn Japanese. That's the kind of creator I want to become in my 6th year. Of course, I'm not perfect. I'll probably get lost sometimes. I'll probably feel down sometimes. But whenever that happens, I want to come back to these questions. What do I want to give to my capybaras? What can I contribute through what I do? How can I make someone's world a little warmer through language? And then, little by little, I want to keep moving forward. Thank you so much for these 5 years. If you want to learn real Japanese from VTubers, anime, games, and Oshi culture, please subscribe to this channel. Also, if you'd like, please leave a comment to celebrate my 5th anniversary with me. Your comments always give me so much energy. Let's keep enjoying Japanese and Oshi culture together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
最後まで見てくれてありがとう。チャンネル登録して一緒に日本語を勉強しよう。Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join me on our Japanese learning journey. See you next time. Bye bye.